Greetings everyone. Today we have with us Dr. Kairav Pandya, Director in charge of CKSVIM Gujarat. He has a rich industry experience of 16 years and has been associated with CKSVIM for 9 years now. He has authored 2 books and more than 28 high-quality research paper publications in renowned national and international journals. Sir, I would like to thank you for being a part of our initiative, Thoughtful Leaders, and thank you for honoring us by giving your time and your interview. On that note, I would like to start with the first question. That is, you have held key positions at various educational institutes throughout your career. What are the key factors that has kept you connected with the education sector in general?
Very good question, madam. Here I can say that, yes, I have started my academic career almost before 15 years back. And the key factor that I consider is the passion to teach and help the students to achieve their goals. I got the opportunity at Anand Institute of Management, and there is a dilemma in my mind. I have to drop my career in industry and I have to choose the academics. So it's again, there was a great dilemma in my mind. But yes, of course, I have passion of teaching. I used to teach to my friends during my study tenure when I was a student. So yes, passion is the only thing that I can say that it's a key factor or key thing that is there of teaching, and that helps me to have this selection of my academic career. If I want to talk about my family background, then I can say that my mother was a teacher and my uncle also involved in teaching field. So since the beginning, I was interested in developing my career in teaching, and I got the opportunity. I have selected that. And now after almost 15 years, I am saying that whatever I have chosen, that's the right.
That's wonderful, sir. On that note, we'd like to move on to our second question. That is, being the director of CKSVIM, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for marketing and administration of your college?
At CKSVIM, we have a separate marketing and administration. Right? If we talk about the marketing plan, then I can say that we are not much involved in marketing of our institute. We have some promotional activities that is handled by our in PhD affiliate, both are affiliated to Gujarat Technological University. We are a very small institute running MBA with only 120 intake. But now by seeing the promotion is required part of any educational institute. So from this time onwards, we have started the social media promotions by using all the social media platforms. We have used some TV advertisement, some newspaper coverage. Actually, I am thankful to local TV channels and newspapers for covering our programs and celebration that we have at our institute, CKSVIM. Administration part, if we say that there is no specific line, because we are running only MBA program till now. And from this year onwards, we have started two new courses, that is BBA and BVOC, Bachelor of Vocational. So I think that may be a new thing that we have to add on in our curriculum.
Understood. That's really great. So, on that note, I'd like to move on to our next question, which is, there's a lot of change in the industry. There are new skills that the students should be aware about. And so essentially my question is, how does the curriculum of CKSVM ensure that the best practices of the industry are followed and the students are, industry ready when they graduate from your college?
Yeah, it's a very good question, madam. Here I want to say something about the reports which were published. Nearly 70% of MBAs are not employable as per the reports. But yes, I assure that our students are much far better than the other MBA students. As far as curriculum is concerned, frankly speaking, we are not developing our curriculum on our own. We are affiliated to Gujarat Technological University. It's a state university, and there are number of technical colleges are affiliated to GTU. But I surely added one point that GTU is very dynamic in developing the courses under MBA. For example, GTU has introduced choice-based credit system, which is a unique in itself. Here, the students are free to select the subjects based on their choices and their interest. Right, selection of the subjects. They have introduced the concept of functional electives and sectoral electives, and of course specialization also. CKS VIM is the only institute that offer all the electives and specialization which offers the GTU, and that makes the CKS VIM as different from other affiliated MBA institutes. So we can say that yes, the curriculum is very dynamic. Even new courses are introduced. Generally, it's a misconception that all the MBAs are equal. Right? It depends on how you are taking this issue. So our curriculum are really related with the current industry requirements. For example, analytics and business development are the main concept. Social media, right? So these all are emerging issues, and these are emerging trends in the management field. And yes, GTU has introduced this kind of course curriculum and this kind of subjects. Initially, we are facing the difficulties in getting the books, because generally we have a trend that every time there is a subject, then we have to dependent only on the books. But now, from this practice, we can find that it is not only books. We can get some material, something which is online. Social media is one of the subject, for example. So it's a new concept where you cannot find something from only from the book. Internet will help you a lot in this kind of development. So
Wonderful.
yes.
Wonderful, sir. So that's really great. On that note, let's move on to our next question, which is, we are all aware that CKSVM is an old institute and has made a place for itself in the industry and is well known in the Gujarat in particular by the students. So, what do you think should be CKSVM's top priority over the next year to, achieve the next milestone?
Next milestone, there are a number of things that we have to do for next, we can say that next 5 years or 10 years, right? The first target is, see, we are running only PhD and MBA program. So now we want to introduce some more courses in the form of feathers in the head of CKS VIM. So this year we have introduced 2 graduation courses, and later on, over the period of 5 years, we want to introduce some other courses that will help us in developing in the field of management. Second thing that we want to do is the accreditation part. Of course, we are accredited by ACBSP accreditation course for business schools and programs. That is an international body at USA. We are accredited by them since 2014. But now, as far as Indian management schools are concerned, we have 2 accreditation left, that is NAAC NEC and NBA. So our next target is going on for both the accreditation, that is National NAAC and National Board of Accreditation, both. So these are the things that I want to add in next few years. Second thing, I want my faculty and staff members to develop in any particular area. Basically, we have 80% faculty members who are PhD, generally except government department. As far as Gujarat is concerned, except government department, all self-finance institute don't recruit much of the PhD faculty members. But I proudly say that at CKS VIM, our 80% faculty members have earned the PhD degree, and remaining 20% are pursuing their PhD degree. So over a period of time, I can say that 100% faculty members are PhD.
Oh.
So that are some, and they can develop their own curricular and they can develop their consultancy at CKSVIM. So these are some plans that I am thinking as a director for next few years.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. So I don't think so that many colleges can boast about having so many PhDs in their college, and that's really wonderful, sir. On that note, let's move on to our next question, which is, students are always searching for information on the internet, and they're trying to gauge what kind of college it is, and what makes a college different from its peers, and which college should they essentially take admission in. So, what is that one thing that you would like people or essentially students to know about CKSVIM that they may not know? So, what's the USP? What makes it different from the other peer institutes?
Right. Yes. Again, here there are a number of things that we can say about CKSVIM that creates a difference among the other institutes. For example, in CKSVIM, we offers all elective and specialization subjects. Students can choose the specialization and elective based on his or her choice. We are not forcing the students to select the 3 routine specialization like marketing, finance, and HR. We are offering them production management also. We are offering them IT, IB, international business, rural and agribusiness. So these all are, and entrepreneurship, of course. So these all specialization that we are offering that none of the GTU affiliated colleges offering. Second thing, we have a legacy of Sri Mahavir Jain Vidyalaya, which is a 105-year-old trust.
Mm-hmm.
So, and again, it is based on ethics and it is a public trust. And they are very much interested in developing the institute. It's a Jain trust, right? But the institute is not Jain. All community students can get entry at the institute. But yes, of course, we are following some of the norms of Jain community. Another thing that CKSVIM is located in the heart of the city, Vadodara, which is good and safe place for female staff as well as girl students. Generally, the parents outside Vadodara thinks of choosing the organization which is in the city area. Majority of the institutes in Baroda, except MS University, are outskirts of are situated in the outskirts of the Vadodara. But CKSVIM is located in the heart of the city, Pratapnagar area. So I think it is a safe and good place to study. And here also we have 50% staff is female faculty members, even in staff members. So we don't have any issue regarding that. Another thing that we are affiliated to Gujarat Technological University and not the private university. So GTU is a state university and all the technical colleges are affiliated to GTU. That includes MBA, MCA, engineering and pharmacy college. So these are some of the points that makes the CKSVIM totally different MBA institutes. Yes, again, we are focusing only on management field. We are not targeting any other field like technical, like engineering or pharmacy. We are not targeting any other field. So only management field we want to target. So these are some special things that I want the people or the aspirant students should know about CKSVIM.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. On that note, I'd like to move on to our next question, and the last question that is, given the current situation, any suggestions that you'd like to give the current youth and the aspiring students to motivate them and guide them to the correct path?
Yes, here I want to say that current situation is very difficult for all of us. Two things, or we can say that 2 suggestions from my side: focus and patience. These are the 2 things that definitely help anyone or as a student to get the objective or the goal. Focus. You have focused. You have to be focused in your achievement. Don't worry, the situation is little tough, but you have to keep the patience. and you have to focus only on the target. Right now, you are not getting your target, but it's not so that you will not never get it. So patience is very, very important. Don't divert your focus, and that is the only thing that I want to give as an advice to the students.
Wonderful, sir. So that was all from my end, sir. Thank you for giving me your time and for giving us the opportunity to interview you.